I got to the point where I don't care if anyone sees me wearing a camera. DoorDash. This is ridiculous. She's getting so mad. We're also vulnerable when we pull up to an angry customer who wants to curse you out. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be delivering with Uber Eats, probably some DoorDash, and we're going to be reviewing this guy. This is the Bradford mini body camera, and lately there's been a lot of safety concerns for delivery drivers, and a lot of you want to get body cams just to wear in case anything happens. So I get a lot of questions about the GoPro I use, but I've spent $200 on that GoPro mainly because I use the footage for my videos. So I don't want to recommend that for somebody who is just wearing it just in case something happens. So I have been reviewing cheaper alternatives. I just did a $25 Amazon body cam. This one is $35.99. and I do have one I just ordered that is $56. I'll be doing that one in my next delivery video. This is what this guy looks like. He has this clip right here that I'm going to be clipping right here onto my hoodie. Convenient. I got to the point where I don't care if anyone sees me wearing a camera. I'll just say it's for safety. That's basically what we wear cameras for. This guy is 1080p, 64 gigabytes with upgraded clip. It's a pretty good clip. It's not like a cheapy clip. Wearable body cam with motion detection and night vision. You hold this button down to turn on these 3 blue lights at the top. That's how you know it's on. And then there's 2 buttons on this side. The top button is for video, and the bottom button, it just takes a picture. So we're going to hold the top button until it turns green and starts flashing green. That means we are recording. So obviously the quality on this camera is not going to be as good as the quality you see now. I spent $400 on this Canon camera because I have a YouTube channel. This one is $39.99. So you get what you pay for. I just wanted to start off with lower budget alternatives, and I'm probably gonna work my way up because you guys seem to like me doing these reviews. And if you use a camera in like a lower price range and you have been loving it, let me know down below. I might review it. All right, that one's going to a house, so I'm gonna go pick up this Checkers order. TJ? Thank you so much.
Turn left on West Wheeler Road.
Get that dinosaur skeleton in that picture. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Alright, so right off the bat, I like how the lights are on the top. Some of them are on the side, but if I'm like already wearing it and I click to turn it on, I can just peek down, see that the lights are blinking. I know it's on. I don't, you know, I mean, looking at the side isn't that much of a difference. Also, keep in mind, I'm wearing kind of a loose hoodie. So if you wear something tighter to your body, it will be more stable. I got an order at McDonald's, so I'm gonna turn this bad boy back on. Hold the power, blue. Hold the top video till it starts flashing green. Get the hang of it pretty quickly. I'm gonna clip it right here. And we're gonna go pick up this order at McDonald's. Alright, somebody's got a sweet tooth. This is for apple pie and a McFlurry. That's it.
You waiting on the wet road?
DoorDash. Thank you. Yes. Oh, yep, that's it.
Your destination is on the left.
This?
Customer requesting you hand
No, 531.
additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
It's not this. Why is it saying to come here? Alright, now she says she's waiting outside. It brought me to this house. Please, I do not want melted ice cream. Man, your mom clearly shows I'm not. She must have said map. I'm sending her a picture of the map because it clearly says to go to the, or shows to go to the end of the street to that place. It has the little dots and the red thing over that house. Do not give me attitude about melted ice cream. You're the one ordering ice cream, bro.
You have arrived.
See, it keeps saying you have arrived and I need to go back to that
Customer
place.
requested you hand them the order.
This is ridiculous. She's getting so mad. She's getting so mad. Oh my god. And now she's saying I'll like a refund. Like, and in her note it says please pay attention to instructions. So clearly she's already having issues. This is where it's bringing me. There's no apartments around here. I'm exactly where the address is. So she put the wrong address. Clearly she's already having issues with getting the order here. I put the address into Google Maps and it takes me to the same place I just showed you the screenshot, period. I don't know what apartments you're talking about. Okay, she just sent me a screenshot showing where I am and where she is. That's a completely different area. This is not what I was expecting, you guys. Now I'm chatting with support to get out of the order because she's now cursing at me and threatening me, and why would I want to continue driving this to her house? Now I know where her correct place is. It's different from what the app was showing. I was on my way there and she's sending me all this stuff. So I'm telling support what's going on. They could see our messages back and forth from each other. Dasher support, they said thanks, it shows the order has been canceled by the customer. Here's what we can do. I'm going to block this customer so that you will not able to receive an order from this customer, and I'm going to document this and escalate to our dedicated team for investigation. It is not my fault. It brought me to the address in the app and that was not your correct address. It might not have been her fault. I don't know why it wouldn't have been her fault, but that's the address that she put into the app and it is clearly not her address. She finally sends me a screenshot of where she is compared to where I am. I see it's different, but by the time we got there, she had already been really, really rude, and then she ended up cursing at me. So it turns out that she canceled it and support got it situated. All right, that is exactly why we need these kinds of body cameras. Not only are we vulnerable to these customers, we're also vulnerable when we pull up to an angry customer who wants to curse you out because the app took you to clearly the wrong place that she was in. I don't know, but I think that's the perfect delivery to leave off on. A great example to why we need to be wearing body cams. Even when I don't film for a video, I always have my camera rolling because anything could happen at any time. We hear stories all over the news about things happening to delivery drivers because we are so vulnerable. So I'm currently transporting the footage into my computer right now so I could look at the footage, make sure it's good enough for the video where I was actually recording. So something I have noticed when I'm looking back at the footage on my computer right now is that the video and the voice are a little delayed. Like you'll see my lips moving and then a little delay of the voice. So I mean, but besides that, the quality of this camera, the driving quality is good. The walking quality, like it's not that wobbly. Like honestly, I'm impressed for $35. So not only do I use body cameras, I have different devices in my vehicle. This is a keychain where if you pull this and disconnect, it is a very loud alarm, and this also blinks like a very bright light. I have two, what are these? I have two pepper sprays in my vehicle. This one I would clip onto me, easy access. I leave this one in my door right here. My other one is on my keys, but you know when I'm driving and it's in the ignition, I don't have access to it, so I have both of them. Also, I mentioned this in every safety video. Also, I have this device. It breaks your window, cuts your seatbelt. It could also do some damage if need be. All of these items I got from Amazon. They'll all be linked down below. I really enjoy doing these reviews for you guys. My next review will be on a camera that is more in the $50 range. And if you have any camera or anything really delivery gig related, let me know below and maybe I will consider reviewing it on my channel. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.